In the sun-soaked desert, where the heat shimmered like a mirage, there lived a wise old ant named Antan. Antan was known far and wide for his intelligence and resourcefulness. One day, Antan noticed a peculiar mound near his home. It was not like any anthill he had ever seen before. This mound was the creation of an antlion, a crafty creature that burrowed beneath the sand. Antlions' homes had a hidden trick, a treacherous trap. Unsuspecting insects would fall into the mound's crater, only to be captured and devoured. Antan, curious and brave, decided to investigate this strange mound. He carefully approached, studying the sand with keen eyes. He noticed a tiny pit at the center and a slope leading to it. The antlion, sensing Antan's presence, began to stir, hoping to catch its next meal. Antan, however, was not fooled. He remembered the tales of other ants who had fallen prey to the antlion's trickery. With a clever plan in mind, Antan started to climb the mound, his 6 legs moving with precision. As he neared the top, he kicked small grains of sand towards the pit, creating a diversion. The antlion, thinking an insect was falling into its trap, lunged forward, only to find nothing but a pile of sand at the pit's edge. Meanwhile, Antan had reached the antlion's burrow. He quickly dug a tunnel leading away from the trap, creating an escape route for any unfortunate insects who might fall into the deceptive pit. The antlion, realizing it had been outsmarted, roared with frustration. But Antan was already gone, leaving behind a lesson for all to learn. Wit and cleverness can outsmart even the cunning. Always think before you act, and never underestimate the power of preparation. From that day on, Antan became a hero in the desert. The antlion learned its lesson, and the desert became a safer place for all the insects who called it home. The story of the clever ant and the treacherous trap served as a reminder that intelligence and preparedness can help one overcome even the most dangerous situations.